If you have plans to sell your home this year, you might ask, is it still a good time or should I wait? Well, you're not alone. I'm getting that question a lot this year. And it's not news that the housing market has shifted and homes aren't selling hours or days after it hits the market. However, there are still buyers and homes are selling. Here are a few ways to turn your home into a hot home during this slower market. First, fix any maintenance issues. The housing market has changed, and the days of selling your home as is are over. If you have any maintenance issues you've been putting off or have yet to get to, it's time to invest and fix them. Likewise, you must update anything that looks outdated to attract buyers. Number 2, make updates before listing your home. Home improvements are vital to attracting the right buyer. So before we put your home on the market, add a fresh coat of paint to your interior walls. Also, if you could update your floors, that can go a long way and pay off when you sell your home. And number 3, what do buyers want? Aside from investing in maintenance and painting, common improvements attract buyers. For example, invest in upgrading your kitchen or your bathroom or your outdoor living space. Make these improvements for a much better return on investment. In this market, it's essential to make a great first impression. Use these ideas to make your home a must-see home for potential buyers. I'd be happy to set up a time to discuss your home. Send me an email, give me a call, or text me, and let's set up a time to talk.